What is up, everybody? So, I'm recording this one late. I think it's like Wednesday. But, this is my weekly supercross review, or I don't know what you want to call it. My opinion on it, whatever. It is what it is. It's me talking about last Saturday's supercross, which, if you don't know, was Detroit. And it was, I think, the second Triple Crown format that they had, which I personally love the Triple Crown. Oh my god, if I could talk. The Triple Crown. Because normally you watch them and they start at like 8 or 9, whatever, and you get a heat race. Cool. There's like a couple of the main guys in it. Then you get another heat race with a couple more, and then you get the LCQ, which is, who cares? No one, either one of the main guys got knocked down and he has to go to the LCQ, which he's going to win, or a bunch of no-names got put in the LCQ and none of them are going to factor into the race anyway, so it doesn't really matter. Who cares? So I like the Triple Crown because it's just, well, it's technically 6 races. It's 3 mains for the 250s and the 450s, which is nice. It's just a lot of actual racing that matters. It was a good night. The first, I think, what was it? What am I doing here? Race 1, there we go. In race 1, you had Brayton and Reed both up in the front and, competing, which was cool because, Reed's 36, I want to say. He's old, so is Brayton. I don't know, it was really, if you didn't see it, all 3 races count towards or if you don't know how it works, all 3 finishes in the in the races count towards points. So you get first, you get 1. If you get 5th, you get 5. It's like golf, you want the lowest one. And this literally ended with a 1-point difference, which was hilarious. It's super close. And considering you have Tomac, Webb, Roczen, and Musquin as the top 4 guys, and they were all battling pretty close to each other. The last, and Barsha, he's up there too, top 5 in points, but they were all within 2 or 3 places of each other, all battling for position, all racing each other. It wasn't just one guy's crushing it and just screw it, whatever, the rest of the people aren't going to be doing anything. The 250s, you don't really even need to talk to, I don't feel like you need to talk about it anymore. You've got Austin Forknier, who's just crushing everyone. He's literally winning everything. I'm pretty sure he won all three races tonight, and he's probably, I don't even know how many points ahead he is. He's just blowing everyone out. You have Jordan Smith, and Sexton, who are, they're going for second place, first loser, basically. That's about it. That's all you can say is Austin Forknier, unless he gets injured or has hilariously bad mechanical issues for the next 3 or 4 rounds, he's gonna run away with this, no problem. I don't know, Sexton has too many issues, he's screwing up too many times in the races, and Jordan Smith just isn't as fast. It's he's not bad, he's not keeping the pace of Austin Forknier when he's winning races by 5-6 seconds. It's just incredible, especially when he gets the whole shot. He's just gone. Even if he doesn't, he just catches right up. Eli Tomac won. Technically, he won the overall first night. He had a second, a first, and a 6th or 7th or something like that, and then Webb was an 8-2-1, I want to say. Roczen was right up there, Barsha was up there, Tomac was up there, or Musquin, but who knows? There was this, I said it in the last video, how's KTM going to deal with this when they bring Webb in, who's supposed to be the number 2 guy, Musquin's supposed to be the number 1 after Dungey left, and now Webb's winning, or competing for the wins, and Musquin's in 4th and 5th, and kind of just sort of there, but not really. I don't know. It's kind of one of those. How are you going to deal with this as a company and as a team? Like the guy you bring in to be number 2 is now well and far ahead of the guy who's supposed to be number 1. I don't know. This week was fun to watch. I mean, Triple Crowns, like I said, are always good because it's just a lot of racing that actually matters. Like, again, you're not getting LCQs, you're not getting just stuff that, whatever, they're just boring to watch and you can ignore it. I don't know, I like Triple Crowns. I think it'd be cool if they did a little bit more of them. But, yeah, this week was just pretty normal. I mean, there was no big, like, nothing really happened. Everyone just kind of raced and fell into position and just did their thing. I mean, a couple, there were some good battles, but, like, no one got taken out. There was no mud. There was no drama, really. It was just good racing. And I don't know. I mean, the only thing that happened was, like, Muscan running into the back of, who did he run into? Savachi? But, that was Muscan's fault. He literally just ran into him and, oops. I don't know. I think it was cool. It's a good week. Not really much to say about it, but I'm going to continue to do this through even motocross, the summer outdoor series. But I don't know. Tell me what you thought. If you watched it, are you happy with who won? Do you want somebody else to be winning? What do you think about the race? Let me know. There's a comment section. Let's have a discussion. Love me. Just talk to me. I'm lonely. I'll see y'all later.